everybody. Welcome to Finance, the only channel that explains money stuff so you have more time to watch the TV. Now, before Marge comes in and changes the channel to some boring thing about feelings, hit that subscribe button. All right, today we're talking about this little piece of plastic magic. A credit card. It's how I get donuts now and, well, worry about the money later. So what is a credit card? Imagine this. I'm at the Quickie Mart. I see a beautiful pink frosted donut with sprinkles. My stomach says yes, but my wallet says I'm full of moths. I can't pay a poo. But then I pull out this bad boy. It's like a loan from some fancy bank, maybe even Mr. Burns' bank. The bank pays Apu for my donut, and I get to eat it. Loan donut. Now, I owe the bank the money, not Apu. They give you about 30 days to pay them back. What could go wrong? So, how do you get one of these things? Well, the bank won't just give them to any bozo. They gotta trust you. It's like getting a tab at Moe's. If I always pay Moe back for my duff, he trusts me. If I sneak out the back when he's not looking, not so much. The bank calls this your credit score. It's a number that says how good you are at paying people back. If your score is super high, you're like that goody two-shoes Flanders. They'll let you borrow enough money to buy a whole new house. But if your score is low, you can't even get a loan for a single pork chop. No! But Homer, you say, probably in a nerdy voice like Lisa, why not just use your own money? 3 words. Free, donut, sprinkles. They call them rewards. When you use their card, the bank gives you stuff. You can get cash back, which is like getting a refund on beer you already drank. Or you can get travel points. Think of it, a free trip somewhere far, far away from Patty and Selma. Free trip. Plus, it's safer. If Snake steals your wallet, your cash is gone forever. But if he steals your credit card, it's the bank's money he's spending. The bank's nerds will stop him, and you won't lose a dime from your secret donut fund. Okay, now for the scary part Marge always warns me about. What if you buy too many Krusty Burgers and can't pay the bank back at the end of the month? That's when they hit you with interest! Interest is a fancy word for an extra fee they charge you just for being late. It's the price of borrowing their money. But it gets worse. They have this thing called compound interest. That means if you don't pay, your debt gets bigger. And the next month, they charge you interest on that new, bigger amount. It's like a snowball of debt rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger, and it's heading right for your beer money. No! So here's Homer's wisdom, distilled from years of experience. A credit card is not free money. It's a loan. A delicious, tempting loan. Only buy what you can actually pay for. Don't buy a monorail if you only have enough for the bus. Always pay the whole thing off every month. That minimum payment thing is a trap. It's how they keep you paying interest forever. Follow these rules, and you'll be the king of magic plastic. Invest today. So tomorrow, you can buy more donuts.